Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. We are now back on this 2020 Volkswagen Golf front end repair. Reason why we haven't done this car continuously is because upon stripping the front end we have a split pipe. Obviously we can't change that pipe because the front panel goes on, so this part here has been on back order, this pipe here. So now it's just turned up, so now we can carry on changing everything over and then put the front panel back on and get it all repaired for the customer. So let's get it stripped down. Now looking at this pipe, it's quite cheap, this pipe. I think it's like 50 quid. It comes with like, from there, oh, this pipe here is for like 50 quid. So basically we've got to change that, unplug it from there, change that, and change that. Let's get on it. The pipe has changed. So it's like all in there, brand new. All because of this bit got knocked off, so I had to change that. That's been put back there, so that's all because of that little bit. So we pulled the radiator off. As you can see, it's all off. This is the old radiator. It's bent. It could go again, but the customer went, just change it. So this is the brand new set we got. Still in 3 bits there, at £800 from Volkswagen. So now let's refit this back together like that, and then put the rad fan back onto the vehicle and back onto the vehicle. So wish me luck. The radiator has all been mounted on the front panel. Got to wait for a clip from Volkswagen because that side's broken and this side's perfect. So they're going to remount it, get the pipes on, and then go from there. To get this front panel onto the car, we've got bolted onto this cross member on the side. So let's get that done and then put it on the car, and then we start finessing it. So right, I've took the wings off on this Golf. While I was taking it off, I found out I couldn't. There's a trim over here. It's just jams between the door there, and you can't get it out. So you've got to move. You got to move the door to get this trim out, to get to the 2 bolts attached down there. So I've done that now. The wings are off. I painted a new wing in the booth over there. So now I'm going to swap this wing back onto the other vehicle. So I'm going to swap this wing, all the clips and all that, bang it back on the vehicle, and then I'm going to put the door back on, and then I'll carry on lining this Golf up. Wish me luck. And here we have it. The crashed Golf is all been panelled up with a new bonnet. It's been painted. New wing been painted. all gapped up. Doors back on. I've got to change that door mirror. And then the new front has all been fitted with the two radiators and a condenser, crash bar, loads of other new bits. It's still got loads of other new bits to go on. But we've got to top up the system back with antifreeze back in the system. So obviously Volkswagen approved antifreeze going back in it. So let's put it back in and put some water back in so we don't overheat this car. And the final job is prep this genuine used bumper up and paint it to refit it back to the damaged Golf. Well, not so damaged now. So let's get this stripped down.